Okay, just wanted to make a video. This is a Hemi V8, and the oil pressure switch is right behind the alternator over there. I'm giving it some light right now in the area. And the oil pressure switch is, if you can see that bolt right in the center, it's below that and tucked in there. And what they want you to do is they want you to take out this alternator. You can't even see the bolts over here because you got to get them from underneath. And this is what the book says too. The book says to do that. Then you got to remove that bolt, I'm pretty sure, and then the alternator will drop, and then you can get to the oil sender switch, because you really can't see anything until this. So this is a camera. Let me show you the end of the camera right here. And this is like a rigid wire. So you can actually bend this. I'm doing this with one hand, so I just wanted to show you. See how it's rigid? It doesn't flop at all. So I hope I didn't bend it too much, because I just wanted to show you what I have to get to. Okay. Bear with me. All right, so let me just show you where I'm going with this. Going in that area that I told you about. And there is the connector. You see how I moved over the red thing already? I just did it with a screwdriver. I slid it over. Now that connector that's right in front of us, actually dead center, I got to pop that and pull it, and then I can pull the oil sender switch, which is right there. It's a 1 1/16, and I will be able to do this from the top with no problem. I can actually get my hand in there and kind of grab it, but I am going to use these needle nose. Also, another trick too is, if you have to get in a little further, I would take electrical tape, tape it to a screwdriver, and this way you could probe even further. Or you could even use a hanger if you want, because this wire is kind of rigid. So I would try just this by itself first and see if you can wiggle your way into an area, so you can actually detect leaks. You could do a lot of different things with it, but this right here is saving me quite a few hours, time, aggravation, whatever it is. I don't think it's so much aggravation, but anyway, I just wanted to show you exactly how you can use something like this endoscope, to make your job a lot easier. And for this application, for $15, I'm loving it. Anyway, take care, have a great day. Hope this helps out somebody. Bye.